In this video, I will show how to remove margins in Microsoft Excel. So click on page layout, then size, and click on more paper size. Here select margins. To remove margins, make 0, left, right, top and bottom. Here you can see the preview. Then click on OK. You can see also print preview. If you have the data so you can see properly, page layout and size, margins, and now make it 0. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you. And also you can set the margins. So same here you can select in just one click. Thanks for watching.